Hey there, welcome back to Nancy's Homestyle Kitchen. Today I'm going to change it up and I'm going to call this Winnie's Homestyle Kitchen. Winnie was my grandmother and she made the most amazing dill dip. I loved it in place of ranch and she had it at every gathering and holiday. So in honor of Winnie, I'm going to share with you her recipe. So let's get started. To get started with the dill dip, we are going to take 1 cup of sour cream and add it to a bowl. And we are also going to add 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. And with the whisk, just give that a stir. This makes a lot of dip. So you can half this recipe if you would like. But today I'm going to make the full recipe. I have here roughly 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. If you were going to use dried parsley, which you can, you would use 1 tablespoon. And I have about 1 tablespoon of chopped green onion. I'm going to add those to the bowl. And then we are going to add some spices. I have dill weed. You could use fresh dill if you would like. I have dried, so I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of dried dill, and 1 teaspoon of dry minced onion. And then this is an ingredient some of you may not be familiar with. It's called Beau Monde seasoning. It's kind of popular down in the South. If you can't find the Beau Monde seasoning in your grocery store, I will go ahead and link a recipe I found online to mimic this, but it basically, the main ingredient in here and thought is celery salt. So this is where the saltiness is going to come from. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of this seasoning to the mix and mix it up, and that is the dip. Like I said, it's really easy. I'm going to go ahead and serve it up for you. But what I would do is I would refrigerate this for at least 3 hours or so before you serve it. But for the interest of this video, we are going to serve it up now. All right, that has come together nicely. It's very herby and it's going to be great. I've already chopped some vegetables. I chopped a red bell pepper. I have some baby carrots. I chopped up some celery, an English cucumber, and then I also blanched some broccoli. So blanching broccoli makes, when it's a little more tender, it really brings out the green, vibrant color, and I think it tastes a little better and it just seems fresher. So let's go ahead and get the dip into the bowl. That's good. And then I'm going to start with, in the back, I'm going to put the celery in the back. And you can use any vegetables that you like. I like cut up raw zucchini, any of the peppers, endive. You really can just be as creative with it as you want. And just pile it up. An English cucumber is my favorite cucumber. And I don't even peel it. I just wash it really well and slice it up. And I kind of like to shingle it, kind of holds everything. Then we'll go ahead and add the red pepper. And then lastly, the broccoli. And when you add the broccoli at the end, you can kind of nestle it around the dip and it'll hold your bowl in place. Okay, you guys, that's it. A really, really easy recipe. You could see how vibrant those colors are. The flavor of the dill dip is really fresh. So it's a winner in my book, and I will take this over ranch any day. So let's give it a try. It's fantastic. Again, let this chill for about 3 hours so all of the flavors can marry, and then serve it up. You can serve it with chips. It's also really good that way. And I hope you enjoy, and I hope I've made my Grandma Winnie proud, and I'll catch you guys next time.